Hi, it's Jamie here, and today I'm showing you my real life. My real life is so not glamorous, and every day I work on trying to make things better. So, as you can see, my kitchen was a disaster. Even though I've tried to keep up with it, I totally got behind. So, one thing I learned about just something good for your mental health and keeping up with your house is to make sure that you turn on the dishwasher every night, unload it every morning. Obviously, that didn't happen, so I'm just kind of catching up on a few days worth of dishes and everything. The first thing I do when I clean my kitchen is gather all of the garbage, throw that all out, and then I start doing the dishes. So it's going good doing that, emptying the dishwasher, filling it back up with dirty, and then I'll be back caught up again. So right now I'm cleaning out the sink because it got pretty messy from dishes sitting in there. And yes, I have to hand wash my pots and pans, and I decided to water those flowers that I got for Mother's Day. So once I'm done with all of the dishes, which I was happy about, I like to make sure that the table and counters are totally cleared off. So clear those surfaces off and then start wiping everything down. The kitchen and chairs get really messy, so definitely make sure you give those a good wipe down. And then the floors were terrible, so I'm glad you can't really see how bad they were, but I decided to vacuum the floors because it makes a huge difference. And right now you can see I'm wiping the rest of the counters off. And this will just make my day feel so much better. Just vacuuming everything up so we're not walking all over crumbs and gross food and everything else. So I'm vacuuming the kitchen, and you can just take it one room at a time. Next, as part of my day, I have to take a couple supplements. So that's my probiotic that I'm putting in my shaker bottle. And then with it is this anti-inflammatory powder that I get from a functional medicine doctor. And 2 scoops of that goes in, I shake it up, and then I drink that. So a lot of days I'm like, I don't know if I want to take it, but I really do have to take it. I have a lot of inflammation. Most of it is from stress. So I'm going to shake that. That's the best bottle, by the way, for shaking things like this. So shake it up, and I have to drink it. It's pretty gross tasting. So after that, you can see how nice the kitchen looks. I felt so much better. I decided to tackle my room a little because we're going away for a night for my birthday. I turned 40 years old. So first I just gather all of the clothes that I find and just wash them because they're dirty. I make my bed. As you can see, I like to keep it minimal. I got rid of a lot of pillows and different things like that. And then my closet is a disaster. That is for another day. We can do that. But I have a lot of laundry at the bottom that needs to be washed. So I'm just kind of adding whatever I think I might use into there to wash. Oh, you can see there's a ton of clothes on the bottom there. Whoops. So then I take my Metamucil, which I have to take that too. Oops, dropped it, of course. So I take that. You have to take it with a lot of water. So I keep checking to make sure I drink enough, and I take 2 of them. And then I take another one in the evening. I totally need it for my stomach. It really helps me. Again, my stress levels make it so that I need some extra supplements. Then I'm doing laundry. This is my daughter's laundry. And I I knocked that whole detergent thing out of there, and it got all over her hamper. So, backtracking. So, I have to turn that on, and then I had to go clean her hamper. So, it's like 1 step forward, 2 steps back. I decided to put it in the bathtub and just kind of wash it off. I mean, it's detergent, so it's good, actually. It's good to clean the hamper. So, I just kind of washed that right off. It says wash me, so I think it wanted to be washed today. And then I actually hung it up in there to dry because it was dripping everywhere. And my husband was like, "Why did you put a hamper there?" Anyway, so then I got a couple new Amazon outfits and I was trying them on for you. I'm gonna link them in my description box. They are super cute. That one you can wear with a jean jacket or alone. This is a jumpsuit. I needed a new one. Oh, there's the pockets. It's so cozy. I just love both of these outfits. They were really good picks. There's a little zipper there. This is a Free People dupe, and it's super cute and cozy. I really, really like it. Oh yeah, and before I did this, I kind of put some makeup on and got a little more ready, so I felt much better about my whole day. And this was a really good start to my day. I don't always have days like this, but I try. Thanks for watching.